So guys, in this video I'm gonna add some nice glow and lighting effects to some random Pinterest drawings. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into our video. So guys, first of all I just open up Photoshop and then I will just simply drag and drop our first image. So our first image will be this skull drawing, okay? So first of all, what I'm gonna do is just simply go to the camera filter, and I will just simply drag and increase the clarity, texture, and also some details. Okay, here we go. So after doing that, what I'm gonna do is just simply go to our brightness and contrast, and I'll just simply decrease the brightness, increase the contrast. Okay, then I will just go to exposure. I'll just decrease the exposure also, maybe increase some offset and gamma. Okay, here we go. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply increase the opacity. Okay, alright. Then I'll just simply starting adding some lights. First of all, I'll just simply some soft brush. Then I'll select maybe this yellow gold or yellow glowing color. Okay, here we go. Then I'll just simply change the blending mode to overlay. After doing all of this thing, what I'm going to do is just simply create a new layer, and I will click color dodge, and I will just again start painting. Okay, alright, then I will just simply again create a new linear touch layer, and again I will just simply start adding some nice glow. Then I will just simply duplicate this layer, change the blending options to linear dodge, and I'll just simply decrease the fill color. Okay, alright, so here we go guys, that's the first image, nice glowing shiny effect to the skull, and that's looking really nice 3D. So let's jump into our next image. So guys, the next image I'm gonna choose is this character from Jujutsu Kaisen. Okay, it will be more fun. First of all, as always, I will go to the camera filter and I'll just increase the clarity and texture so that it looks more texturized and sharpened. Okay, I also increase the sharpen value. Then I'll just hit OK. Again, I'll go to the exposure panel, decrease the exposure little bit. Here we go. Then I'll just again create a new layer, select the color I wanna add. Maybe this time I will add some purple, nice purple color. Because again I'll just do the overlay, decrease the size of these brushes. Okay guys, then I will just go to the blur, Gaussian blur. Add some Gaussian blur. There we go. Then what I'm gonna do is just go to the blending options, and again I'll just simply change the value of these graphs. Okay, something like that will be perfect. Now I'll just simply duplicate this layer, change the blending to linear touch, and here we go. Look how amazing it's already looking. Then I'll just simply add this what's called Gaussian blur. Oh my god, just look at this, how beautiful it's just shining, you know. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply again add an overlay. Then I'll just add some glows to the eye. Alright, and maybe some glows to this band, band. Okay, and this will be perfect. Alright guys, so guys, after adding some nice glow to the headbands and eye, what I'm gonna do is just simply again go to our blending options, and I'll just maybe decrease this curves. Okay, I mean these sliders. There we go. It looks amazing. Then again, what I'm gonna do is just simply duplicate this layer, click on linear dodge, and here we go. As you can see how amazing it is just looking. I can't describe, you know. And again I will just decrease the fill. Okay, here we go guys. Then maybe I will add some more other color glow to this image with this color. Okay, so that it's look more, what it say, like more glowing or attractive. This color maybe, but it's look more darker. Maybe I'll add some yellow again. Yeah, this color. Go to the overlay, decrease this fill. Maybe I'll just go to blending options, add nice slides. Okay, then I'll just add a new hue and saturation layer maybe, and then again just change the color. Okay, we got this color. Then I'll just simply erase it like that. Okay, and then I'll just simply duplicate this layer, merge this layer with the overlay, duplicate this layer, and again linear dodge. Okay, maybe again duplicate this layer, and I'll just put this blending overlay, this blending options again. Here we go. That's our next image. As you can see the difference between before and after. There's the before and that's the after. Alright guys, let's jump into our third image. So the third image, I'm gonna use this from Dragon Ball. Okay. Then as always, I will just again go to camera filter. Again increase this contrast, clarity, texture and sharpening. Alright, then again I'll just go to our exposure, decrease the exposure, just play with the offset and what is this called, gamma. Okay, here we go. Then again I'm just gonna add some overlays. And just look at this. Here we go guys, that's how I added some nice glows to our third image. Let's jump into our last, fourth and final image. So guys, for our last and final image, I will choose this character from My Hero Academia. Okay, this will be our last and final image. So let's start. First of all, I will go to the camera filter. Again, I will just simply increase the clarity, texture, some contrast, and some sharpening. Here we go. I will just rasterize this layer. Okay, then again I will just simply go to the exposure, decrease it, increase some offset, and also gamma, brightness and contrast, increase this some contrast, also decrease this some brightness. Here we go. So for this image, the color I'm gonna choose is green because this character wears some green stuffs. I'll choose this green color. Okay. Here we go guys, into this color. Again I'll just simply add overlay. Here we go guys. After doing all of this thing, what I'm gonna do is just simply go to our blending options. Again, just play with these sliders. There we go. Hit OK. Duplicate these layers. Click on linear dodge. Filter Gaussian blur. Some nice Gaussian blurs. Maybe this. Okay, this will be perfect. And just decrease this fill color. Also decrease some glows. Again go to this yellow glow. Again go to the blending options. Add some nice sliders like that. Hit OK. Duplicate this layer, linear dodge, blur, Gaussian blur. Then here we go, guys. That's our final and last image. Just look at these hairs, how it's glowing. It's just amazing. So guys, give your opinion about this nice effect on comment section and tell me which content you are gonna see in my next video. And if you ask me which one is my favorite of these 4 images, then maybe I will choose this image from Dragon Ball. Okay, this one is look more what it said, like more shiny and premium. Then again I will just choose this last image, and then for the third one I'll choose this skull, and then last I'll just select this pose. Okay, so guys, that's for today. See you in the another video. Till then, goodbye, take care.